Johnson, president of the CGFSA. We were nominated by Dr. C to do the ALS Ice Bucket Challenge. We are nominating all of Methodist University Justice Study professors and the Methodist University SGA. Ready? CGFSA! CGFSA!
That's a little cool, and I'm going to swim my laps.